Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, the man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, after Vybz Kartel's public endorsement of Koffee and one of our latest release titled Lockdown, viewers and subscribers, Koffee has announced that she is working on her first studio album. Yes, no phone never know. She actually win a Grammy for her extended play. We never know that. It was an EP. The Rapture was an EP. An extended play for those who don't know what EP actually means. Now she has confirmed though that she's working on her studio album, her first debut album. Now, the talk on the streets is, will Vybz Kartel be a part of the production? We have not heard official confirmation, but what we have heard Koffee said is that Lockdown was a track that was recorded at Popcorn Studio, in which she met producer Dane Ray, and she heard the rhythm, liked the rhythm, and recorded the song. So she does have some form of artistic freedom to choose which artist she's choosing to work with. And she also said, I am doing a little camp right now. That's just me and some musicians and producers and few artists. We just a build a vibes, seeing where that vibe takes us, and hopefully we create magic. Now she was also quoted as saying, these are some of our tracks that inspired her from Vybz Kartel's catalog, viewers and subscribers. She said, Muda said the Kartel era of songs that inspired me were the 2014 songs. It would have dropped like songs like High, One Boat Veranda, and Bunny, Pretty Little Bunny, House of Bundong. Them 2014 Kartel songs, and my jams, they inspired me and my musical journey. And we have seen our viewers and subscribers give us countless recitation of Vybz Kartel tracks, whether the acoustic versions, which is to drop some Vybz Kartel songs while playing her guitar, definitely showing her music talent. Now, as I said, no official confirmation if Vybz Kartel will be a part of the project, but yes, what I go on. The fact that they even see her on Skillibeng them, Popcorn, no doubt. Remember, she have a strong following also in England. After Chronics, they put her on the BBC One Extra. England people really start pay attention to her. Rapture really take off over there. The first Rapture video was filmed in England. People really gravitated, love the whole vibes, love the whole movement. So no doubt, Popcorn I could probably be a feature on this album. Skillibeng, of course. The people love Skillibeng energy, you know. Yeah, the fans are gravitate to Skillibeng. Man, him have a type of setting. It's almost like in persona real. It's almost like what you see is what you get. We don't even try to dress up or put up nothing for the media. We are bring our talent and we are put it out there. We're artistic in everything, and everything what you see are just our artistic expression. People are all a vibe to him. No doubt him gonna be on the album. If not, she also said she would be releasing singles. So even if they are not a part of the album project, because remember, Columbia have a sign off on every single song. She can't release not one song on that album without Columbia executives saying, yes, we like the way this song sounds, and without the A&Rs passing that track. But she does have artistic freedom to release singles. That's how she could have released Lockdown. I mean, we are doing extremely well on all platforms too, I should point out. I mean, endorsed exclusively by Vybz Kartel. Remember, even some of the artists that were featured in this music video did not exclusively endorse it. But I want to feel like you said, we're not try to throw shade. Them that talk about the video before the video here. Them show footage on them IG that they made a link up on a whole vibe. People just didn't know that it was for the music video. So don't feel like you are trying to throw no shade. The Unglass and Vybz Kartel exclusively endorsed Koffee track. Then people are talking about bag of things. But the teacher not care. When the teacher see talent, it not have to be talent where he might work with. Just somebody where I bring something to the table and I enhance the global aspect of Jamaican music. The teacher will endorse them. Know what I mean? The teacher will show that support. Not for them so caught up in themselves and in them feelings that even when them say good music and good artists out there, them keep close-minded. It's almost like them must say, oh, because they rate that artist or that individual, we know why you're gonna win. And also the music work. And also the music work. Not for them a call for unity. We stop call for unity now. Yeah, it might sound strange to you, but we have stopped that. If you notice, Popcorn stop walk up and down and talk about unity. You know what we have realized? Music is unified for an aim. I'm not gonna say under one aim. Music is unified towards an aim. It's just that there are people with different aim in the music industry. Some people just want rich. Some people want that fame. Some people want to bring the music forward. Some people genuinely have a love for the music and thankful to be a part of the conglomerate called Jamaican music. And thus I do them best while I'm in the industry to inspire, motivate and also educate. So that is where the divide is at. It's not that people don't want to dancehall music to good or people don't want to dancehall music have more fans. Some people are just in it for different reasons. So don't make them tell you about this good for dancehall and that good for dancehall when you can look at their track record and say them not do nothing for the music, nothing for the movement. So Mama win her Grammy for the EP, the extended play. Yes, Colombia pushed that EP to the highest reach. We now go around. Toast was a song endorsed by Colombia secretly. Enough people ever noticed she was signed to Columbia Records during that time. But when Toast dropped, I want to realize that everyone going to hear Toast. It wasn't a coincidence. They made sure that that song was playing everywhere. And it worked because it showcased talent. Remember, marketing, marketing is not evil by design. Marketing is a technique we use to get the message out there. Remember, if what we are market is not worth your time and effort, or even worth your attention, no matter how we market it to you, you will not pay attention. We can market certain brands and certain things to you, no matter every day, every second of the day. As long as you're not interested, it will be of no use. So, the fact that her song was marketed had nothing to do with the fact that it was a good song. Overall, Toast was a good song. Same thing with Lockdown. Know what I mean? It's a good song. So, where good music is concerned, we have no bias. We don't know where it sells, and we don't want to know where it sells. Big up Koffee. And the fact that she's an artist, outspoken about her respects for Vybz Kartel. We have to talk about it. Because many of these younger artists, the disconnect with this generation of musicians and the previous generation of musicians is that they are saying that even if you don't want to go out of your way to pay homage, at least have some respects for the contributions made by the previous generation. And I am in full agreement of that statement. The foundation did and we build on that foundation. So there's no way we can ever not acknowledge the fact that the foundation was set. You'd have to have something for build upon. So big up all of the artists them from 80s and 70s and you name. You know what I mean? The day and age of those artists that made their contributions that made dancehall and reggae music a world staple. So when them said these younger generation don't want to really pay homage or acknowledge the ray, we have to say, yo, that has to be stopped. Because what them not realize is that I see it now for myself. The fact that them feel like saying now for pay homage, it has reached the point where Vybz Kartel is the king of the genre. You have some little small-minded artists who run up in the game. They don't even know what the music industry is. And not because somebody's a recording artist means they know the industry. You have people who study the industry itself, know the business aspect, know the recording aspect, and know even the production aspect. Now for them, I said them are artists and them song no mix and master and them release it. Them they even realize that the track where them have is not mixed or mastered. So Nobody tell me say, oh, them are artists and me can't tell you. We know the production side of music. So we have our qualifications to make we are set. Not for them artists and know nothing about the industry. And have not contributed anything to the growth of reggae or dancehall. So we have to big up the people who actually do something for dancehall. Koffee win the Grammy and bring the Grammy home to dancehall and reggae. Because you have to remember, Chronix, I think Chronix win a Grammy too. I think so. Name the people who win reggae Grammy recently and talk about the Grammy before. They were the Europeans collecting these Grammys, all people from Israel and all over, and Jamaicans never that win it. So I'm glad the position to win it and bring back recognition to yard. Big up Vybz Kartel. Continued inspiration right across the board for all the aspiring and young artists, whether they are the gospel, reggae, dancehall, ska, mentor. Still Vybz Kartel that inspire in this day and age, because if you're not inspired by the style of music, you're most inspired by the work ethic. By the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent. You know the settings, and for those who don't, outmove settings fam, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love and prosper until we reason again.